In this video, I'll show you how I stop door squeaks naturally without the use of chemical lubricants. So I'll be using sunflower oil, but you can use any kind of oil, and I will start by pouring some on this tissue paper that I folded in 4. Now I'll rub the tissue paper up and down on the hinge to get the oil inside the hinge. And my tissue paper feels a bit dry. I don't think I put enough oil, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more oil to it. So let's see if that helped. I'm gonna give it a test. And the door is totally silent now. So this usually works for me on the first try, but if your door is still squeaking after doing this, just add a little bit more oil to the tissue paper and continue adding oil to the hinge until it stops squeaking. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'll be posting more home repair videos in the future.